Mamema wakwaba emfa wombra GCN page so meaning the adwa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification and some ekoso wo mai mu bia benye biati anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha Captain Smart na okase na odin some way etudwa ewo Angel FM omo morning program omo ye so omo ye discussion efa omen hu how omen besi atumpon and some ekoso wo mai mu politics na bebia na eno no dey tudwa na okre se sisi NDC fo no mo wa ha papa ayesa mutena sia na mo solve mo issues na Captain HS sisi no kame akoye se NDC fo no omo atoba ha omo ani etutu akom nsem omo hunu omo ye because first omo feel say 2020 abatuna yeto no ye omo friend say MPP fu wi a omo ehso mo tirimisa and na friends so omo de call court no na kwa they were thinking say oh judges no mo e dia asem na say lawyers no mo dia asem no mo ni mo nti somehow some way no betumi a can be am it didn't happen like that and na friends omo call parliament house right honorable Aban Bagbin na ko nim say oye NDC ni omo choose ni so onko gina e wo ho no ko speaker of parliament din ko bebo omo side but honorable right Aban Bagbin so no omo eto abanema ni wi obey speaker of parliament per ni statement odin kan ode ba out ni say oye speaker de Magana na wo oye speaker de ma NDC anase NPP e ma na NDC fo no omo ho ejojo omo e na fen so ye ba wo parliament house ho na kasanso a honorable Mutaka e na fen so honorable Haruna Idrisu oye minority leader omo so ni omo ye no kame akwa NDC for this zero omo hu omo left and right kra na no e na Captain HS say aside ni na no NDC as a party no they have a very long way to go because first so omo hu say NPP party na kasa na wo ho no so omo dealing with NPP party no in say omo nya party kitwa kra and na so secondly Nanado as a person no so no so omo ye careful pa no omo deal with Nanado because Nanado so a well experienced politician just say all in his life no why a minister where the minister MP sa and na so obe contests obe so your president na nyende start ya che papa oni o mampani dada wanya ne baabi konya me fa ne krense ye atamels oni ne preso anyeye ansana oni o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama baya wabitumi abe president tie ba the politics ma che say owo meeting ba yankasa so NDC for no omo wo issue why so omo hwe first so omo deal with NPP as a party no because in your party ketwa and na Nanado na nkasa so no so no wa cheye wo politics nti so no so no omo ha omo be deal with him because Nanado no so omo dwen so oye penny or 77 years nti omo de ne bedi agro alala e no omo boa because Nanado wen yi wo party ni mo nkasa nti ni zian this vote mo kwa mwani member enko mo kwa mo achizo enko left and right be bia enyeti ensama Captain de etudwa.
This is a CIA. They have MPP as a political party to deal with. And then they have Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, who is an experienced politician also to deal with. It's one two entities are. Nanado is an experienced politician. Nanado for pie Bagbin. Nanado, na down for pa. Any Aban Sumana Bagbin. And a Bagbin, na down for pass or Tosumi no Ghana, how young people need. And the Bagbin, two strong friends. And what Ghana, first two, young people for. Honorable Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, who is now the president of the Republic, and then Honorable Oseche Mensah Bonsu. These are his two major, huge friends. Usha Haruna Idrisu, from there no be a leader of the minority caucus or parliament pepepeno. He became a very good friend of Honorable Oseche Mensah Bonsu. So it tells you that the MPP is capitalizing on friendship and winning the game. NDC is using bitterness. It doesn't work like that in politics. When somebody is adopting the friendship strategy, Greenhorse book, the 50th law, when somebody is adopting friendship in politics, you don't adopt bitterness. Don't say that Nana Yabrefo, Afa Kwamena Sambaini Adamfo, eti me esesame time Nana Yabrefo, Adentida, Nana Yabrefo, Oshe Kamu, na Kwamena she jeans top, na Nana Yabrefo, Chinchina Techia, na Damfo ne Kwamena, eti me esesame time Nana Yabrefo, at the very moment, you are killing yourself. The NDC is gradually killing themselves. They are not seeing it. Chairman number 2. There are huge turbulence ahead of them. There's another huge turbulence ahead of the NDC. Now, as I said, what 2 of us now what ye. You see, a bit more grassroots for Mubuafu. Senior Ben Ekaye. Facebook and your grassroots. Facebook and your grassroots. WhatsApp and your grassroots. Grassroots, no. Pano. Ewo grassroots, no. Nkrana se ho. Enkrofo na. On mankind. On Prime Minister da. On who DC da. Nani say so be share MP no wa chia ne da. On who bi da no. Sa enkrofo no. Ene wo hia pa. Now, message no. Afro akosoro na ejai abegu won so say won penny for the jijisika esese ye waye ni ne ka kire won na wote ase ebetimi aya ampa ebetimi so say enya ampa me need evidence bia
na so allegation no is gone
say NDC penny bi akwa jisika ana NDC penny bi we refuse bribe me who be. But when it so-called grassroots for the more parts in the kasa was say one penny for no atom one party no they are Jessica.
And that message is on the grass.
It's on the grass. At the ho na they say home. Enti Emra Ken area ni vetting no picture be about thing. Haruna Idrisu.
And it can
picture. First person who posted that picture no. On Facebook that someone show us say or NDC ni or say Yanka. And the picture started say echo. Na akwa gusu kwa na echo. Na mess no was so oni. But chairman Nanado as a figure, I say NDC for tenacity. No one papa ni. So man you careful. Why do you be here one say when you ni? Why do you be here one say oh the ministers na hwe? Ghana ministers na omo hwe. Ye ministers omo hwe da. Rollins time ministers hwe poto. Wafakufo time ministers hwe poto. Professor Mese Kurade on one party for the catch and say ye team B. Momu hwe poto. Ujoma Hama time, momu hwe poto. Enti ministers no de wo hwe da. Na so mo anse so mbe kwaso ehwe poto. Enti minister hwe ene nanado nyini has nothing to do with the kwaso sese no. It's got to do with that figure called Nanado himself. Or experience in politics. Where the minister, ni MP, ni nkwanda nyina. Why ye flag bearer akwa election 3 times. As an obeye president. Ena, Maureen Mfi say he's a friend to Chaju.
Yes.
Nanado dan kwa Akufo-Addo. Ne body baako pa Chaju Chikata. Body pa. Nanado ne body nye na senya ne say obedi president na Rollins ebe na damfo. So before yes swear in His Excellency John Agyekum Kufuor 7th January 2001 no. Now Rollins is white obeya ade bi wa ase ho o say esoro ho ene ase ho ye one.
Yeah.
we are I am ya come the picture ne brɛ time all see from all corner na all chia no odu na na ado so no he spent more than 2-3 minutes with him ewo baby I swear J Ekufuor grounds no and you know he is adopting the friendship strategy in politics that you don't destroy your friend when it comes to politics. You keep your friend when you want to remain in politics. And some NDC people are also adopting the bitterness strategy. When you are too bitter, you can't bite.
Bitter about what?
Abba. First one. And it's a one party no feel say one, ye we are.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
What court? Court so end the amount. Unlike NDC, time a call court no, we share Supreme Court ruling na tuguba team finfin na. E kwaya 5-4. So okay.
Yeah, make a
5-4. Where the end by no unanimously 7 people vom. Ya ba to agu. Enti enipa bi na wo so na NDC for adwene ye won say judge ye de ye hwe na ayese owo ya fampo no wa boyen ato agu. Enti they feel they don't have anybody.
Yeah.
On that score. Number 2. Yanko parliamenta. Yakwa akofa ye nipa oye Honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Bagbin by